So if you're looking for a healthy chicken nugget recipe, then obviously you're watching the wrong video, because my recipe's really not that healthy. But that's okay, because I've teamed up with Maryam from Tastefully Balanced, that she's going to show you a healthy alternative to making a chicken nugget. I'll put a link to her video in the description below, and also the end of my video. Before you rush off to go and watch that, and I highly recommend you do, let's check out my unhealthy version of the chicken nugget. So let's get to cooking. Okay, let's get to work. We're going to take some chicken mince and put that into a bowl. Then add in a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a couple of pinches of salt, a good serving of black pepper, a small amount of Parmesan cheese, and a small amount of shredded cheese. Now you want to mix that all through. Then take a lined tray, or in this case I'm using a plate, and you can wear gloves if you don't want to get your fingers dirty. Roll the chicken into small bowl shapes. Then once you're done, make sure you flatten them down. Now's a good time to freeze these. Follow that by dusting them with flour and put them into the egg mix. And finally, breadcrumbs. You want to repeat this until you make as many nuggets as you want. Fill a pan with oil and heat. When the oil's hot and you're ready to get cooking, put in the chicken nuggets. I suggest about 4 minutes on each side, and this can be a bit tricky because you don't want to burn them, but you want to make sure the chicken is well cooked. In my case, I always like well done chicken and also crunchy nuggets. So yeah, they may look a little brown or burnt in some cases, but that's the way I like them, and that's alright. When you finish cooking, put them onto some paper towels. Make sure you take off the excess oil. And now there's only one thing left to do, and that's to take your nuggets and enjoy. Very tasty. So I hope you like my recipe and the collaboration team up in general. If you did, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. There'll be more episodes soon. Thanks for watching.